Hello! Do you have plan to learn new language? And then you think you want to learn Indonesian? If you have plan to learn Indonesian, this video will help you to find out what kind of thing you should know before you learn Indonesian. It will help you to learn this language. So here we go. Alphabet. Indonesian's alphabet use a Latin alphabet. It starts from A to Z. It's same as English alphabet. If you want to learn how to pronounce and spell Indonesian's alphabet correctly, you can click the link on the right side of this video. How to pronounce and spell Indonesian's alphabet correctly. Formal and informal. Bahasa Indonesia has a formal and informal. Normally, Indonesian native use a formal language for writing, for example, for writing articles, papers, and newspaper. Informal Indonesians normally use for daily speaking. For example, if you want to say no in Bahasa Indonesia, the formal way is tidak, and the informal way is enggak. An Indonesian native use enggak normally for daily speaking and informal writing like chatting and texting. But Indonesian native will not use enggak for formal writing. Vocabulary. This is a good news because Indonesian's vocabulary doesn't have gender. So you don't have to memorize the gender of every vocab. We don't have masculine and also feminine. Indonesian's grammar. Verb. Verb in Bahasa Indonesia doesn't have conjugation. It means in Bahasa Indonesia, we use the same verb for all the tenses. For example, verb eat is makan. In Bahasa Indonesia, we use verb makan for all the tenses, for past, present, and also future. The verb doesn't change at all. Pretty easy, right? Because we don't have to memorize verb conjugation. Structure. Bahasa Indonesian structure to make simple sentence start with subject, verb, and object. So, if we want to say I eat fruit, we can start from the subject, saya, and verb, makan, and object, buah. Saya makan buah means I eat fruit. Possessive. Possessive in Bahasa Indonesia start from object and subject. So if you want to say my car, it start from the object first, mobil, and followed by subject, saya. Mobil saya means my car. Adjective. If you want to create adjective sentence in Bahasa Indonesia, it start from noun and adjective. So, if we want to say new car, we say the object first, mobil, and adjective, baru. Mobil baru means new car. Prefix, suffix, confix. Indonesian has prefix, suffix, and confix, and then the functions is to change the meaning and functions of its word. The root lihat with prefix me becomes melihat, means to see, to make it as active sentence. With prefix di, dilihat, means it's seen, to make it as passive sentence. With confix me and kan, memperlihatkan, it changed the meaning, becomes to show. Anyway, if the root itself already verb, for example, lihat means see, and then this is already verb, Normally, Indonesian native speakers prefer using the root itself to make an active sentence. For example, if you want to say, I see you, instead of saying, saya melihat kamu, Indonesian native will say, saya lihat kamu. Saya lihat kamu is more common use for speaking, instead of saya melihat kamu. Okay, that's all the basic things that you should know before start learning Indonesian. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask your questions on the comment sections below. If you like this video because it helps you a lot learning Indonesian and you want to see more video like this, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel to support this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Terima kasih and sampai jumpa.